Welcome to Intelligent Kids channel.
Intelligent kids, present. Words that start with letter A.
A is for acorn. Acorn. A is for astronaut. Astronaut. A is for alligator. Alligator. A is for airplane. Airplane. A is for angel. Angel. A is for arrow. Arrow. A is for ant. Ant. A is for apple. Apple. A is for armadillo. Armadillo. A is for anchor. Anchor. A is for aquarium. Aquarium. A is for ambulance. Ambulance. A is for artist. Artist. A is for antelope. Antelope. A is for apricot. Apricot. A is for atlas. Atlas. A is for acai. Acai. A is for almond. Almond. A is for avocado. Avocado. A is for arm. Arm. A is for angry. Angry. A is for axe. Axe.
Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel for more videos.